Today we'll be starting a band today.
What is your pick?
A pick.
Oh, here we go. Let's use this one.
Alright, today we'll be starting a band today with Joe and Jack, and we'll be playing a band today, and today it is
Black Sabbath. Iron.
March 27th, 2025. And today's band we'll be playing is Iron Man from Black Sabbath. So we'll be starting with the Oh my god, that was crazy.
Can't turn it on until you're ready to play.
Alright, before I play, everybody pay attention because we're starting a band which is called, what are you gonna call this band?
It's your band?
I can say Live Play Workshop Band.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Check the intro. You got this?
Remember? Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah, I used to play it forever.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Alright, okay, pause the phone. Are you ready?
Hold on.
Start with the bass first.
1, 2, 3,
go.
4. That was good. Good, grab your phone. Do your thing.
How was that?
That was really